Looking for a convenient way to maintain hygiene? The best soap dispenser for bathroom offers touch-free operation, sleek design, and easy refills, making it a must-have for any modern space. Number 1. Eco Touchless Automatic Soap Dispenser. Enhance your hygiene routine with the Eco Touchless Automatic Soap Dispenser, a smart solution designed for effortless and germ-free hand washing. This advanced dispenser uses infrared technology to detect hands within a 3-inch range, dispensing liquid soap in just 0.2 seconds. Its rapid response time ensures a seamless experience, making it ideal for busy kitchens, bathrooms, offices, hospitals, and schools. With 3 adjustable soap dispensing levels, you can easily customize the amount of soap dispensed to suit your needs. Unlike traditional dispensers, this unit features a hassle-free refill design with a pop-up lid, eliminating mess and making maintenance simple. The Eco Dispenser is compatible with various liquid soaps, including hand sanitizer gel, dish soap, shampoo, and body wash, providing versatility for multiple applications. Its water-resistant construction ensures smooth operation even in wet environments, making it a reliable addition to any sink. One of its standout features is its USB Type-C rechargeable battery, offering up to 3 months of continuous use per charge. The sleek and modern design adds a touch of sophistication to any space, seamlessly blending into contemporary interiors. Number 2. Secura Automatic Liquid Soap Dispenser. The Secura Automatic Liquid Soap Dispenser is a highly functional and stylish solution for maintaining cleanliness with minimal effort. Featuring a large 17-ounce capacity, this dispenser reduces the need for frequent refills, making it ideal for homes, offices, and public spaces. It operates on 4AA alkaline batteries, not included, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable performance. The water-resistant design protects the internal components, making it suitable for humid environments such as bathrooms and kitchens. Equipped with an infrared motion sensor, the dispenser detects hands from up to 2.75 inches away, providing a truly touch-free experience. This not only improves hygiene by reducing direct contact, but also ensures smooth and mess-free soap dispensing. Users can adjust the soap volume control switch to dispense between 0.03 to 0.19 ounces per activation, catering to different hand-washing needs. The transparent soap container allows you to monitor soap levels easily, preventing unexpected shortages. Ideal for both household and professional use, this dispenser accommodates a variety of liquid products, including hand lotion, dish soap, shampoo, and shower gel. Its durable construction and user-friendly design make it a reliable choice for maintaining hygiene in kitchens, bathrooms, restaurants, and healthcare facilities. Number 3. Svavo Automatic Soap Dispenser. The Svavo Automatic Soap Dispenser is a perfect blend of innovation and practicality, providing a touch-free hand-washing experience that enhances hygiene. Designed for wall mounting, this dispenser saves counter space while offering easy accessibility in kitchens, bathrooms, offices, and public spaces. The built-in infrared motion sensor ensures precise and efficient soap dispensing, activating in just 0.2 seconds and releasing a consistent 1 milliliter of liquid per use. One of its standout features is the non-drip design, which prevents excess soap from spilling and creating unnecessary messes. This feature not only conserves soap, but also maintains cleanliness in your space. The dispenser is compatible with a wide range of liquid soaps, including dish soap, body lotion, shampoo, laundry detergent, and hand sanitizer, ensuring maximum versatility. The Svavo dispenser is built with energy efficiency in mind, operating on 4AA batteries, not included. With a battery life of up to 1 year, it minimizes maintenance efforts and reduces the need for frequent replacements. The durable construction ensures longevity, making it an excellent choice for high-traffic areas such as hotels, hospitals, restaurants, schools, and dental clinics. The space-saving wall-mounted installation is ideal for confined areas, and its simple refill mechanism makes maintenance hassle-free. Number 4. Gaussra Soap Dispenser. The Gaussra Soap Dispenser is a premium and durable choice for those seeking a high-quality soap dispensing solution. Crafted from commercial-grade 304 stainless steel, this dispenser is built to last. Its transparent protective coating prevents fingerprints and stains, keeping it looking sleek and polished. The inner tank features a thick glass container that is easy to clean and resistant to corrosion, ensuring long-term usability. Designed to complement any home decor, this dispenser exudes elegance with its translucent and modern aesthetic. Whether placed in a bathroom, kitchen, or farmhouse-style space, it enhances the overall look while maintaining practicality. This set includes 2 refillable hand sanitizer dispensers, 2 non-slip coasters, and 6 waterproof label stickers for easy identification of soap types. With a maximum capacity of 11 ounces, 320 milliliters, these dispensers are suitable for various liquids, including hand soap, dish soap, lotion, essential oil blends, shampoo, and mouthwash. Gaussra emphasizes quality control, with each dispenser undergoing a rigorous 48-hour salt spray test and the pump enduring 30,000 running tests. Made from lead-free glass, this dispenser ensures safety and reliability. Number 5. Clasin Soap Dispenser. The Clasin Soap Dispenser is a durable and elegant addition to any bathroom, kitchen, or office. Made from high-quality polyresin, this dispenser is exceptionally sturdy and resistant to damage, making it a superior alternative to glass or ceramic dispensers. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting use, while the pump mechanism has been tested for 5,000 presses to guarantee durability and smooth operation. The set includes 2 liquid soap dispensers, each with a 12-ounce capacity, making them suitable for a variety of liquids, including hand soap, dish soap, lotion, shampoo, and even massage oils. One of its most convenient features is the inclusion of 20 waterproof label stickers. These labels come in 4 styles and 5 different fonts, allowing you to personalize and easily identify the contents of each dispenser. The labels remain securely attached without warping, even in damp environments. For maintenance, simply clean the dispenser with a damp cloth and avoid harsh cleaning products that could damage its surface. Additionally, keeping it away from direct sunlight will help preserve its aesthetic appeal and functionality over time. The Clasin Soap Dispenser is an excellent choice for those who appreciate durability, versatility, and modern design. Whether for personal use or as a thoughtful gift, its sturdy build, elegant look, and practical features make it a valuable addition to any space. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.